Hey guys, what's going on? So I woke up today and I got a beautiful delivery from Hello Fresh. It's a online, food delivery source that gives you amazing options to, have prepackaged meal delivered to your home. And I ordered, I believe, 4 meals. And what they do is it's a weekly automation service that delivers food to, your home. I'm a mommy who's busy, so I'm looking for options on, you know, how to make my mealtime more easier and cost efficient. Everything is so high in the stores right now, and it's like, okay, how can I make bang for my buck? In these cute little bags that are packaged neatly into the box, has the ingredients and everything that you need to make the meal. It also comes with, visual print with all these amazing, let me turn it around. Sorry guys. With all these amazing, meal options. It gives you the ingredients and how to prepare your meal, step by step, great menus. So based on what you select, I didn't really select any of it. I was really browsing on their website and then I forgot all about it. And then voila, the box showed up at my door and I am suddenly subscribed to weekly delivery. I did visit this website. Again, it's HelloFresh. I did visit this website. It's upside down, but HelloFresh.ca. And I did view their items, but I didn't see many options that I had. So I was going around looking for other options. And I think I found one. I just haven't really purchased from them yet. So I'm going to try these. They're here. And this is like cheesy chicken and all that good stuff. So here it has, again, the ingredients for each meal, right? As you saw the menu over there for each meal comes, packaged with its own ingredients, which is great because sometimes I go to the grocery store and again, it's like sometimes the ingredients aren't there. Sometimes I even forget to get the ingredients. And then it's like the meal is missing something. And then other times I get everything that I need. And it's like I'm looking at the price and I'm like, dang, what did I buy? Right? They have cold packs in the boxes, right? To protect the meat, which is pretty good. Here you go. You got some ground beef, I guess, to make with the tacos and the meatball. You got some chicken. Right, got 2 packs of chicken right here, which is awesome, guys, for those of you who may need, one of, an easy solution prepackaged meal. As a person who's in the health and wellness industry, I thrive myself on, finding easier way to meal plan. And this is one option, guys. I'm not the type of person who like to say, let me get the type of, let me get all my meals prepared in containers, stack it up in the fridge, because I really rarely like leftovers. But this is all packaged food with ingredients, not cooked, but ready to be cooked. And all you have to do is slice and dice, turn the stove on, quick meals, complete in minutes, and your family will enjoy a night. For me, the one of the things I tend to want to develop is getting the children to bed on time. We have such long and late days sometimes, and getting meal prepared and ready on time is often a challenge to us. So again, this is my reasoning for trying to get out these these other options of finding ways to get meals. So Hello Fresh, thank you for the package. I did have to cancel my subscription because I had no intention of signing up for any subscription, but the idea was great. So the idea was every week they would take take, money off of my credit card and send me these meals. So it will eliminate my efforts to going to the grocery store each and every time to do this. So I guess I would have to just go for like fruits and all the other things that I may need inside the house, but dinner would be covered by the click of a button. The idea is amazing. The food options for my family was not it. However, I am still in the search. So if you guys here watching this video know of or have any ideas or already using something that you found that was successful for your family, I mean, I'm a family of 4, right? How are you designing and organizing meal times, getting it done on a timely manner so all the children can get into bed on time on those long days? So let me know if this is also something for you. Sorry about the shadow. Let me know if this is something that you would consider, if it's something that you found out about for the first time. Let me know if this was helpful for you. For those of you who want to follow, go ahead and follow me. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you are a part of this journey with me, guys. It's all about health and wellness here. Talk to you about various topics. We have waist trainers, shapewears. Right now we have phenomenal sales going on products that we have in our wellness and weight management department. But whatever it is that you have a reason to stick around for, I truly appreciate you guys, and I will come back and let me know if you want even an extension. Let me know if you want to know about the food. Did it taste good? Was it, how did it work out for us? My family and I'm sure we're going to love it, because I mean, it's chicken and beef, y'all. Like, we're Caribbean, so if it's either I'm gonna follow their menu or we're gonna dice it up and put the flavors on it and have it our own way. But this is what it is. Have a great day, guys. Yeah, I will keep going and going and going and going. I'm a mess. Later, guys.